Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be solving the problem find the duplicate number. I'm not gonna waste any time by introducing who I am. Everything will show up on the screen, but if you're new here, do check out the playlist, do check out my channel. It's your programming and tech channel. So yeah, let's just not waste any time and let's just go ahead and solve the problem. So yeah, so this is the problem that we are solving. The problem's name is find the duplicate number. So the problem is pretty simple. As you can see, there is an input array which has, like, in this case it has like 5 elements. So we just need to find the number that is a duplicate. So in this case, if you can see, the 2 number is duplicate. So we need to solve this. I mean, this is the solution. This is the question that we need to solve. And suppose for instance, let's say if we have, something like this 1 1 and 4 5 6. Okay, if this is the condition, we need to solve the problem. Like, we need to tell that the output for this one would be 1, because if you see, 1 is the duplicate number. As soon as we get a duplicate number, we need to return that. Okay, so there can be multiple numbers, but as soon as I get a first duplicate number, I just need to return that. So it's very easy to solve when you think about it intuitively. What are you doing in your mind? Like, when I try to see the solution, when I try to solve this question, what I am doing is that I am just, trying to, okay, I pick a number 1, I am keeping it in my mind, and I'm just looping through the next element. I'm checking 3. Okay, 3 is not here. 4 is not here. Okay, 2. And as I move on, I just keep everything in my mind, and I try to match if there is any number that's coming, the same number that's coming ahead after the number that has been in my mind. So if you see, when I come to 2, I kept it in mind, and then as soon as I find one more 2, well, 2 was already in my mind. So as soon as I find that, I'll just tell that, okay, 2 is the duplicate number. So we need to do the same thing by using a Python or maps or hash maps, or in Python we have dictionaries, in JavaScript we have objects. So we'll be using that. So it's very simple. So I'm going to take this example 1 3 4 2 2. Okay, if we have 1 3 4 2 2. Okay, so what we'll do is that first we'll loop through this array. Okay, first our ith element is at this thing. Whenever we visit this element, what we will do is that we will just create an object, and we will write 1 as the key, and we'll write 1 over this. Okay, or you can just write anything. I'm just naming it as 1. Okay, and then this essentially moves forward to 3. When I find 3, I will check if 3 is already over here. If 3 is not already over here, I will just add this in the dictionary, and I will do this. Similarly, I'll do the same thing for other ones. Okay, I'll move to 4, and I will try to write 1 over here. Okay, I will move to 2, and I will write 1 over here. Okay, now is the important condition where I reach to 2, and again I reach to 2, because for loop moves forward. So when that happens, I will check. We will essentially do a if condition. Let's say this is a dictionary. Okay, what we'll do is that we'll essentially do a if condition if value of I in dict, which is dictionary. If this is the case, then we will return that value of I is a duplicate number. That's it. This is the whole solution, and we just need to loop through the array for a value in array. Okay, or like for I in range of just essentially a for loop. Okay, just a for loop. You'll see the code now, but essentially a for loop with I element, and then I'm just checking if it's there. If it's not there, then I'll write else condition, and we will store this value in this dict of value of I is equal to 1. Okay, that's it. This is the whole formula to solve the question. I hope that this is clear. I think it will be much more clear if you just go ahead and solve the problem. Okay, so if you can see, I'm just going to write the code. Okay, so if you see the question, given an array of integer nums containing n plus 1 integer, where each integer is in the range of 1, like 1 to n. That means it's just confusing you by throwing like hard words, especially for a non-native English speaker. There is only one repeated number nums. Yeah, the condition, like I said, there is only one repeated number nums. You must solve the problem without modifying the array and only using constant extra space, and uses only constant extra space. Okay, cool. So what we'll do is that actually, you can solve this problem by just writing one line of code in Python. So you can do something like max of nums comma count is equal to key is equal to nums dot count. So if I run this code, I believe it should get accepted, but it will be very slow. If you see, it's accepted, but if I submit the code, it won't be accepted. Okay. Yeah, if you don't know about this particular function, you can follow my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. You'll see you see all of these Python tips and functions over here. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is that I am gonna create a dictionary. Okay, and then I'm gonna write duplicate key, dup key. Okay, I'm gonna give it none, give it as none, and for value in nums. Okay, okay, I'm gonna give this number, or maybe let's keep it value. Okay, so I'm just gonna write if value in dict, then I'm gonna dup key is equal to value, else dictionary of value is equal to 1. Okay, and I'm gonna break this over here. The reason being, I found the value that it was duplicate, and then if I return, I'm gonna return duplicate key. Let's run and check if it's accepted. Yeah, if you can see it's accepted, let's press submit. Yeah, there you go, it's accepted, and it's like it beats 86.06 persons of users with Python solution. So if you can see, the time limit is exceeded for the solution that I gave for the Python function that I wrote. Yeah, the num.key, the count one. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That is the solution. I hope that the solution was clear. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Do follow my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, do like and subscribe, and follow as well. Check out my community on nas.io/superprogrammerscommunity. So let me know how the video was, and if you need any other topic, if you want to jump onto a hard question, I can make a next video on that as well. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you all guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.